Through the columns of your restless daily, I like to ventilate my protest against unemployment. It's a great result that we should be inconvenienced in such a way for uncertain period. Uncertain period. Invitation for birthday. Hi Rita, I inform you that my birthday has been coming after 2 days, so I want to involve my near and dear parents and friends in this birthday. So I calling you to involve in my birthday because I want to spend the whole day with you and enjoy this day. I hope that you should be come here with your parents. So I should be waiting with you all. New job. Question and answers. Hi Raki, why are you leaving the old job? Because it is the far distance with our shelter. Why are you joining the new job? Because it is the best job. What is your job? I am joining the new schools for teachers' professional life. What is your hobby? My hobby, I like to study different varieties book and watching TV. Why are you feeling that book is our friend? I am also thinking that book is our friend because books bridges to the way of aqueous knowledge. If we should be habit to daily studying the different books, we should be success to acquire knowledge and instructions. Summer vacations occurs in March to May. In this time, the highlight temperatures and the clean sky and the high heating temperature and bright sunshine. So we feeling uncomfortable and all time we find a shadow. Sometimes the high temperatures often is near 42 degrees centigrade. Conversation. Mom, are you doing? I am cooking a delicious food. What are you making? I am cooking a chicken curry. Oh, so I have getting a nice smell. So I ask you. Very good. It has a nice smell. So you have getting it. Okay, our dinner is very good, delicious food. Yes. Conversation. Hi sir, excuse me, can you help me? Okay, I want to help you. Because which help you need? I founded. I found the way of the bank because I could not to find it. Okay, please go straight and turn left and near the red big building. Okay, thanks. I have a good school memory at the childhood. We all friends went to a excursions and gathered. We all friends carry a bus and we have identifications, the historical and cultural all things in the object in the museum. Give me like and subscribe.